Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the tolower C-type function in C. I've included a header file and the main function, and because I'm using C-type functions, I'm going to need to include another header file. And so I'm going to type hashtag and then include and then ctype.h. Okay, and then I'm going to go and get started with my program. So I'm going to create a character array that could have potentially 19 characters, not counting the null character at the end. And I'm also going to create an integer I. We're going to use that for a while loop later. And while I'm at it, I'm going to set y equal to 0. I'm going to continue with my theme of talking about my favorite TV show, Supernatural. So I'm going to print f a question. Who is the brother of Dean on Supernatural? And we'll put a question mark and a space and end that printf statement. And then we'll do a scanf and we'll scan into the character array, into the character array name. And then we're going to do another printf and we'll say something like, that's right, a comma and a space, and then end that printf statement. And then we'll start our while loop. So we'll say while name at index position I does not equal the null character. Well, that's the condition for the while loop to run. So what we're going to do is we're going to print f, and we're going to print the character in the character array at, and what we're going to do is we're going to use this tolower function. We're going to convert that character to lowercase, okay? And then we'll close out that printf statement. And after that, we'll make sure to increment I by 1 each time so we don't have an infinite loop. We'll close out our while loop, and then we'll do another printf, and we'll say, comma, space, is the brother of Dean on Supernatural. And we'll put an exclamation point and a slash n there to bring it down to a new line. Close out the printf statement, and then at the end of our main function, we will return 0. And we'll save this, and let's open it up in a terminal and compile. So we'll do gcc tolower.c, and we'll output just tolower. Okay, and now we'll run. So who's the brother of Sam on Supernatural? Of Dean on Supernatural. I'm going to put Sam all in uppercase, and then we're going to run it, and you'll see it converted it to lowercase. Now this, of course, will work for any name. We could do Castiel with the first character uppercase, and you would see that it converted all those characters to lowercase. We could do something like, mix it up, Crowley, and this would still print out all lowercase Crowley. So that was a little demonstration on the tolower C-type function in C. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did and haven't done so already, please like and subscribe, as it really does help the channel grow. I also want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.